Hello, my friends. Congratulations, now you have completed your knitting and you want to finish off. That's also called cast off. Let me show you how to do that. It's also super simple. You take your right needle, you enter the first loop. With the same right needle, you enter the second loop as well. Okay, so I have the first two loops on my right needle. You take your yarn, wrap around, and you exit as one. So you have purled two loops into one. Now I have one loop on the right needle, and I will take it back on the left. Now I'll do the same. Enter the first one, enter the second one. Wrap your yarn around, exit together, put it back on the left needle. Enter the first one, enter the second one, wrap around, exit, and transfer it to the left one. So here you can see that this part has been bound off. Let's keep on doing. Enter the first one, enter the second one, wrap around, exit, transfer it to the left needle. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap around, exit, transfer it to the left needle. Let's do it for one final time. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap around, wrap around, exit, transfer it to the left needle. So I'll complete it here and I'll show you the final one. So here I have done most of the row and I'll show you the final ones. So let's repeat. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap the yarn around, exit together, then transfer it back to the left needle. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap the yarn around, exit together, transfer it back to the left needle. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap the yarn around, exit together, transfer it back to the left needle. Now the final one. Enter the first loop, enter the second loop, wrap around, exit together. Now I'm left with one single loop. What do I do with that? What do we do is we cut, you tie it. You can either cut it here, or better and safer way to do it is to hide it here with a crochet hook. You can decide what to do. So this is how it looks when you bind off. One side it looks like a purl, and on the other side it kind of resembles a knit, like a horizontal knit. A very clean, simple way to bind off. So the project is over. Congratulations. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Bye.